In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Discord. We'll use Zapier to automatically send a message to a Discord channel whenever a specific kind of email lands in your Gmail inbox. This is perfect for important alerts, like messages from a key sender or subjects that contain the word urgent. Start by heading to zapier.com. Once you're signed in, click Create Zap. A zap is simply an automation with a trigger and an action. Gmail will be the trigger, and Discord will be the action. For the trigger, choose Gmail as the app. You'll see two common events, new email and new email matching search. I recommend new email matching search because it filters for only the emails you care about, reducing noise. In the search field, set your criteria. For example, you might specify that the sender is a specific address you trust and the subject contains urgent. You can also include other search operators if you already use them in Gmail. Keep it targeted so your Discord channel doesn't get flooded. Connect your Gmail account and authorize Zapier to read your email data so it can detect new messages. When prompted, run a quick test. Zapier will pull in a recent email that matches your search so you can confirm the trigger works. By the way, Gmail triggers support more than just new messages. You can also work with attachments or labeled emails if that suits your workflow. Now set the action. Choose Discord as the app and select Send Channel Message as the event. Connect your Discord account and approve the permissions. Then choose the server and the specific channel where you want the notifications to appear. Make sure the channel is appropriate for alerts and that your team knows what to expect. You'll see a message field where you can compose what gets posted to Discord. Use the data from the Gmail triggers, such as the email subject, sender, and a short snippet, to make the alert clear and useful. Keep privacy in mind and include only the details your team needs. If you expect attachments or labels to matter, reference those fields too. Run a test to send a sample message into your chosen channel. Check that it looks right, then turn on your Zap. From now on, whenever an email arrives that matches your criteria, Zapier will automatically post to Discord, saving you time and ensuring urgent messages don't get missed.